Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to remove background in your video for free without a green screen. Okay, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use CapCut application. So first of all, you can download the CapCut application or your PC or your mobile. The step is the same, and I'm using the CapCut for Windows. And here I have created a project on my CapCut. Then if we want to remove the background of this video, first of all, we can tap on the video. Then we can go to the count option right here. Then you can scroll down. Then you can use the auto count feature on CapCut. Okay, and now as you can see that the background has been removed, but you have to wait until the process completed. Okay, now auto count completed. Then we can play the video to take a look at the result. Okay, and this is the result. And I guess that's how we can remove background in video for free without a green screen. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.